This is a quick update on my bike. Last thing I said on my other update, I had to punch a hole. I couldn't find a hole puncher, so I just used a screw. It had like a big lip on it, so I just a little small screw, and I just popped a hole in it. It works. I'm probably gonna have to extend the actual Velcro a little bit, or add a piece of Velcro to it. Besides that, it's on there. You can see the M on the bottom right here. I did it because I wanted the eye to be more centered with the bars, which you can see now it is. And the teeth right there, as if it was eating it. I could move it. Could have it about right here. Then I'll have another eye. So I'm probably gonna leave it about like that. You can still see the teeth. And then on the front, you can see the face kind of. The stem pad. See, it has Odyssey brakes all the way around. Pad here. I had a problem right here because this is not meant for a gyro. It's supposed to be meant for a quick slick brake where it just attaches one cable slide, as you can see right here. So I just put a zip tie and then another zip tie to keep both of them tight right here. And matter of fact, I don't even think I need it no more because I have this pad. This could work as my zip tie, but it would always rattle right here, the connector. But now the bike has no rattling, which I like. I personally don't like my bikes rattling. Even when I ride my bike fast, you hear like a whistle sometimes. I like to stop the whistles. Sometimes it's cool, so I don't mind it, but I just like to know what's the problem, why is it doing it. Yeah, so these are the Monza BMX pads. I got this one just because it looks pretty cool. Really dig this stem cover. Make my bike look a little bit more retro. Looks 1990s, even though it's supposed to be like more 1980s. But this bike looks so new that it doesn't have that retro vibe as much. Besides maybe the stickers, which helps it out. And then, like I said, I put Odyssey bar ends. Hard to adjust, and to focus. The Odysseys. So Odyssey bar ends, Odyssey brakes, Odyssey gyro, sealed bearing Odyssey gyro, Odyssey Springfield, everything Odyssey. One thing I might eventually do too, even though it says Fairdale, I'll definitely keep this, but I might swap it out for something different. I'm not too sure what at the moment. And then also the pedals, I might go with a different style pedal. Because these are just Odyssey's pedals as well. Yeah, I don't know. Bike's pretty much where I want it. I would like to get some gold nuts for these. Take these off and put some gold ones, but I do want the ones with the built-in washer. And then these as well. I'll probably get these gold if I could find them. If I can find Allen head bolts gold, I'll screw this one out, put a gold one. Oh well, this is the bike.